Are you looking for the best electric bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker Gladiator Electric Mountain Bike. Introducing the Anker Gladiator Electric Mountain Bike, a powerful and versatile electric bike designed for adults. Equipped with a 48V 500W brushless motor, this bike offers strong climbing power and a top speed of up to 20 miles per hour. With its 48V 10.4A removable and lockable lithium-ion battery, you can go further with a range of 50 miles per charge in pedal assist mode. The ergonomic design includes lockable suspension and a Shimano 3+7 transmission system, allowing you to easily cope with any terrain. Safety is ensured with the mechanical front and rear disc brake design. The bike also features cruise control for an effortless ride and a waterproof plug for convenience. With 3 working modes and an intuitive color screen LCD display, the Anker Gladiator electric mountain bike is your best choice for exploring trails, getting exercise, or commuting to work. Number 2. Ridstar Electric Bike for Adults. The Ridstar Q20 Lite electric bike is a powerful and stylish electric bike designed for adults. With its 1000W brushless motor, you can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour, making it perfect for commuting or exploring off-road trails. The bike features 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal assist, allowing you to easily conquer any terrain. The 20-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and durability, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. The removable 48V/13A battery charges in just 4 hours and offers a range of 19 to 35 miles per charge. Equipped with a high-strength hydraulic suspension fork and dual disc brakes, the Ridstar Q20 Lite provides a comfortable and safe riding experience. It also comes fully equipped with an LCD display, LED headlights and tail lights, a Shimano 7-speed system, and convenient features like a phone front frame bag and USB charging port. Number 3. Jansno Electric Bike 20X 4.0. Jansno 20 electric bike is a powerful adult e-bike with 3 working modes to suit your needs. In pedal assist mode, the motor provides moderate power as you pedal, making your ride easier and more enjoyable. In fully electric mode, you can rely on the stronger battery life for longer distances. And in pedal mode, you can ride the bike like a traditional bicycle. The bike features a removable 48V/12.8A lithium battery that can cover a range of 20 to 37 miles per full charge, allowing you to conveniently recharge at home or office. With its 750W high-speed brushless motor, this bike offers strong power with a top speed of 30 mph/h. The high carbon steel frame and enhanced anti-skidding and wear-resistant tires make it suitable for various terrains, including snow, sand, and gravel roads. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes ensure your safety. Plus, Jansno provides a 1-year warranty and 24-hour professional customer service. Enjoy the freedom and convenience of the Jansno 20 electric bike. Number 4. Filato Electric Bike. Introducing the Filato e-bike, a powerful electric bike that is perfect for adults seeking adventure on any terrain. With its 1000W high-speed brushless motor, this e-bike provides strong power and climbing capabilities, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. The 48V 17.5A battery offers a long riding range of 33 to 55 miles, ensuring you can enjoy your ride without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with 21-speed gear, this electric bike is versatile and can tackle any road, whether it's snow, beach, mountain, or city roads. With its front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, you can enjoy safe and professional braking within 2 seconds. The lockable suspension fork provides a smoother riding experience, reducing fatigue on any terrain. The Filato e-bike offers 3 modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and classic bike mode, allowing you to choose the mode that suits your needs. This reliable e-bike comes 85% pre-assembled, making it easy to set up and start riding. With a video guide available, you can quickly assemble the remaining parts. Plus, you can enjoy peace of mind with the first year warranty, ensuring that any quality issues will be taken care of. Experience the joy of riding with the Filato e-bike today. Number 5. Gadget EB5 Electric Bike. The Gadget EB5 electric bike is a powerful and versatile electric mountain bike that offers a range of up to 40 miles per charge. Equipped with a 350W brushless motor, 7-speed Shimano gears, and front fork suspension, this bike provides a comfortable and smooth ride. The 360Wh removable battery is convenient for charging, and the LCD display panel provides accurate data support. The Gadget EB5 electric bike is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable electric bike. With its lightweight frame and powerful motor, it is suitable for commuting, mountain biking, and leisurely rides. Customers have praised its durability, comfort, and ease of use. Number 6. Haybike Race Max Electric Bike. The Haybike Race Max e-bike is a high-performance electric bike designed for adults. It features a powerful 500W brushless motor and a removable 48V, 12.5Ah battery, allowing riders to travel up to 31 to 40 miles per charge at a top speed of 21.3 miles per hour. The Race Max prioritizes safety and durability with puncture-resistant 27.5 tires, dual lights, and motor inhibitors on both brakes to provide steady and reliable commuting. Its lightweight geometry frame, weighing less than 52.9 pounds, offers a sleek and clean appearance. With 7-speed, front fork suspension, and a large LCD display, the Race Max enhances your commuting experience. Whether you prefer using the throttle function or pedal assist, the Race Max offers 3 working modes to suit your needs. Upgrade your commuting with the Haybike Race Max e-bike. Number 7. J-Silakoi Electric Bike. The J-Silakoi e-bike is a powerful electric bike for adults with a 1000W brushless motor, delivering excellent climbing power and speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Its non-slip 20x 4.0 fat tires allow for superior riding on any terrain. The long-range 48V14A lithium-ion battery provides up to 50 miles on pedal assist mode and 30 miles on pure electric mode. With 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal assist, it's easy to find the perfect setting for your short trip. The lockable and adjustable front suspension fork and rear shock absorber ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, while the sturdy frame, professional 7-speed shift gear, and LCD intelligent display contribute to an outstanding riding experience. The dual front and rear mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, and the e-bike comes with convenient features like front and rear fenders, headlight, rear light, cell phone holder, and rear rack, providing comfort, convenience, and safety for your urban travels.